Hey folks, how you doing? So today I got another package from AuxBeam, the lighting company that I teamed up with, and I'm pretty stoked about this because I already have a set of AuxBeam lights on the back of my truck on what they call the receiver mount for lights, I guess you could call it. This is their new 360 series, and not only is it a standard light, any pod light, but it's got a LED strip here that actually shoots light off to the side too. Now I got two of them, one for either side of the mount, which shoots to either side of the truck. So let's get them on there and see what they look like. All right, so what you're gonna have in here is your two lights. I kind of already opened it up, and it's a little messy, but then you got your mounting hardware. You got your bracket, you got your bolts, and an Allen key to get them all on there. Just grab your everyday crimper set and some connectors. I prefer to solder things, but I don't have my solder equipment here with me, unfortunately, so this is how we're gonna have to do it for now. Okay, so this is the mounting hardware right here. Basically how it's gonna look. So you got an Allen key bolt and you got a regular hex head bolt. So you're gonna take your bracket and you can adjust it to wherever you want position wise, and there's a hole on the other side too, so if you want the orientation the opposite way. Now I'm going left and right with my my side shooters here. So this is how it's gonna go, and make sure you throw this bolt through there first before you toss that in, obviously, because you can't get it out. But I'm just removing the older model AuxBeam pod lights here off my mount. So you can see here it's just a little clamp style mount that actually clamps around your receiver. Now I'm just gonna yank these out here. So these are the old models. Worked great. Got no problems with them. But as you can see, this is the difference between the two. These are more of a spot, whereas these were more of a flood. Now I'm just gonna nicely attach that with my mounting hardware here. If I can get it in the bag. Oh yeah, those look badass. And it's a 1/2 inch wrench, so when you get to that stage, give them a nice snug pull on the buggers. Make sure you get them exactly where you want them, because they will twist on you if you don't hold them properly. Cool. Alright. Now it's just a matter of wiring it up. Alright guys, just about done here. We're just going to attach the wiring with our butt connectors really quickly here, and we will do a little test, see how they work. There's one. Now I've already got the way the wiring's set up on my truck. I already have two lights up on the bumper here, so I just tapped into the same switch. I'm just running everything off the same one. That's what I was doing before. The fun part, getting the crimp tool in there. There we go. So now I'll clean all that wiring up. We'll tape it up. Should be good to go. And there you have it, guys. Those are the AuxBeam 360 pods. And I know the video doesn't really do it justice, but those are bright. As you can see, the neighbor's house is quite lit up. We'll do a test here. No house? House. No house? House. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Go check out these lights. They're badass. I don't really run anything else on my truck now except for the 2 Grodies that are on there, so AuxBeam all the way.